Welcome to solverfy.
Neurons fire by propagating electrical signals down the length of the axon, so they can eventually signal to other cells. This propagation of the electrical signal down the length of the axon requires influx and efflux of certain ions. So sodium is one of the important ions involved in mediating this axonal firing. So normally the sodium concentration outside of the cell is quite high, but the initial stage of a neuron firing involves opening of these sodium channels, which will allow the sodium ions to flux into the cell, which results in depolarization and eventually leads to subsequent hyperpolarization and finally reestablishment of the neural membrane potential. So essentially the flux of sodium ions across a sodium channel is involved in membrane depolarization, which is an initial step in neuron firing or signaling, because after a neuron signal propagates down the length of the neuron, it will signal certain responses such as reception of pain to the central nervous system. So by blocking this initial step, blocking membrane depolarization, it blocks all subsequent steps in the transmission of the neural signal.